So here at the $1 Million Challenge headquarters, aka the Badders organization, whenever we have something good to celebrate, we bring out the suit. You hear me? We bring out the suit, man, because we have something to celebrate. Officially, I am a Turo Power host. I love having the opportunity to be a Turo Power host. Basically, what a Power host is, Turo recognize you and recognize your work, and they get to put you amongst the top people. Okay, so what are the things that have actually got me to be a Power host? First of all, in my opinion, communication is key in this business. You need to be able to communicate with your Turo guests. Check out some of the videos that I've done in the past about, Turo communication and how to keep your car clean and everything like that. But stay tuned, guys. I have a lot of things planned this year, and this year is going to be more consistent than the previous years.